The role of maintenance planning. This video was created from a few of the slides in the maintenance planning and scheduling course. You can download the full course PowerPoint at ben95.com. Okay, let's get into it. A maintenance planner needs a systematic approach so they can quickly compile the correct parts, tools, and information required to do the maintenance to high-quality standards. This necessitates the planner to develop specific information management systems to quickly identify and collate large amounts of information. Information on engineering facts, equipment history, job procedures, work standards, time estimates, and cost estimates. The information management systems like CMMS ensure that the maintenance strategies are actually put into place. A good work pack makes it clear exactly what actions to take and how to take them so that they will produce the desired reliability. Planning is only helpful if the plan is followed. The plan is only useful if it delivers the necessary results and outcomes. A good plan makes it clear exactly what actions to take and how to do them so that the desired results will be produced. The maintenance planner is the link between corporate assets life cycle management and the workforce. They are the person responsible for converting plans into actions that people use to deliver the objectives. Doing good maintenance and the maintenance planning effort that goes into it must be seen as worthwhile and producing worthy results. That is best done by displaying the trends that develop because of the maintenance effort. The slide shown here lists a few types of information that can be presented. The sample graphs along the bottom of the slide are copies of graphs used in industry. Another benefit of visually identifying equipment and maintenance performance is pinpointing opportunities for focused improvement. The Pareto and equipment cost graphs are particularly valuable in showing the equipment bad actors that must be addressed. Unfortunately, people cause most problems by a long way. You can read the extracts in the full course PowerPoint from white papers and books that indicate how much people are at fault. It's not people's fault that they make so many mistakes. We're all human, and humans make errors. The fault that errors are allowed to impact an operation is a business system issue. We do not have enough protection within our business systems to save the business from the errors made by the people they employ. We must protect the plant and equipment from good-intentioned people who don't know what they are doing. Your only means of protection is accurate documentation, which sets the correct standard of work performance and trains your people to do it the way the procedure says. Finally, you need to go out to the workplace and audit them to see for yourself what they are really doing. The beauty of the 3T failure prevention method is its powerful influence on increasing the probability of good outcomes. It is a proactive control measure that drastically reduces defect creation and the future failures they cause. The 3Ts provide statistical control over a task by setting precise performance requirements, installing control limits, and specifying measures to track performance. Developing procedures that ensure accuracy by embedding targets, tolerance bands, and tests in tasks is a highly secure way to meet specifications. They remove the uncertainty of the outcome. With sound targets and proof testing used in your business processes, your organization moves from being uncontrolled, or at best, quality conscious if a quality management system is used, to being truly an accuracy-controlled enterprise, an ACE. Without additional costs and demands on the organization, except to include the 3Ts into its standard operating procedures and, where needed, providing appropriate test devices, a business can be well protected against all defects and failures. With 3T defect elimination and failure prevention methods overlaid on standard operating practices, the possibility of problems developing and getting deep into a business is significantly reduced. The business systems shrink in complexity because each person is now clearly responsible for product quality and conformity. Accuracy and quality are inherent in the work system and become the only acceptable way to do a job. The 3T method reduces the need for supervisors and managers because each worker can see for themselves when a task is well done. Employees receive positive feedback and satisfaction from the job when they see that their work is top quality. Employees become their own quality control inspectors and learn to improve their performance until it is up to standard. ACE procedures have an inbuilt structure to prevent failure and the introduction of defects. Each task can be done correctly because each has a measurable target and tolerance to work to. When all tasks are done right, the procedure is correct. Using the ACE-3T method in standard operation procedures makes them highly valuable work instructions far superior to the average standard operating procedures. As well as acting as guidelines for the work, they set clear performance criteria for every step in the job process. They make the degree of accuracy that must be achieved clear to the employee. Nothing less is suitable. It turns people into experts. When purchasing maintenance parts and equipment, it is critical to provide all the details necessary to get the right part and ensure it is delivered to the right location by the correct date. The planner has a few more tasks to do once the work on site is complete.
To learn more about maintenance planning and scheduling, download the Maintenance Planner course PowerPoint at bin95.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see future educational videos, and thank you all for the likes.